So this is the beginning of my FunMove S3 story. In early April I start to see posts in social media that FunMove is going to bring a new bike. It was 5th or 6th of April I received an email with an invitation code. So using this invitation code I could make a pre-order for the FunMove S3 or X3, and I've made one for the S3 Dark. I made the pre-order on 7th of April. Then I received a confirmation for the pre-order. The official introduction of the bikes were set for 21st of April. On 22nd of April, I received another email at some accessories or services like a front or back carrier, some bags, or peace of mind. Peace of mind is a service from FunMove. If your bike is stolen, they are trying to find it in two weeks. If they can't, then they will send you a new bicycle. So I finalized my order on 22nd. In the pre-order it was indicated that I would receive my bicycle on 18th of May. After confirming the order, this date was shifted to 23rd of May. Yesterday, so 19th of May, I received the confirmation for delivery, and instead of delivery on 23rd of May, it's going to be 25th of May because UPS doesn't deliver on a Saturday. I'm really excited. I've already seen some reviews, but it's different when you do it yourself. So the moment I receive the bike, I'm going to compare it with my current electrified S2 and post some videos here on YouTube. If you have any comments or suggestions, please feel free to comment below, and please subscribe to this channel.